Yan ay use
oil.
Okay, paki-explain nga po ito.
So, used oil is basically, it is an oil that we change because it's already past the prescribed usage of the oil. Basically, it doesn't have a body. If you gonna do it on the level, here, the level, there is no viscosity already. It's black and there is no viscosity. Right? There is no viscosity. Okay. The point is, if we place a certain drop lang over the used oil, a certain drop lang
ng ating product.
ng product. Is that it changed the structure of the used oil. By way of what? Kanina wala ng body yung langis. Pag hinalo natin ito, ang mangyayari yung black on the level, nakikita mo, hindi napapatid. Hindi siya napapatid.
napuputol.
Nagkaroon na siya ng viscosity. And look at the structure of the oil. The black is no longer black. Hanggang mamaya, makikita mo, puti na yan.
Talaga?
As a regular oil. Mamaya lang, puti na yan as a regular oil.
Mabilis lang
Ano po ang nangyayari? Anong
Okay.
ginagawa niya doon sa used
Used
oil?
oil, basically, it says, by one tribologist saying the fact that it's David Witts. David Witts is a tribologist that says, dirt inside your engine, even though it flows predominantly like a liquid, soon enough it would solidify. Ang ibig niya sabihin, yung dumi, no, ay nagbaban, dumi-dumi, kaya nakikita mong itim, no? Nakikita mo itim na itim. Ang nagagawa nung yung additive natin, it bonds that dirt para hindi na siya come into contact with each other, para hindi mo na makita yung itim. Kasi yung dumi, pag wala yung lubricant na almost parang kino-coat niya yung dumi, hindi na siya how do you call that? Nagfo-form together para hindi mo na makita yung itim. And then, na-restore mo yung viscosity ng langis. Again, we try it here on the same...
Pag nakalagay po sa makina yan,
Pag nalakalagay sa makina yan, ang mangyayari niyan, biro mo, doon sa bearing mo, ang viscosity niya, buhay na buhay ang langis at saka pumapasok doon sa pores ng metal.
metal sa engine.
Oo, sa engine.